Welcome to today's video. Today I am going to take you through how to buy simulation projects on SimulationKart, a great online marketplace for simulation files across platforms like MATLAB, ANSYS and more. It's super simple and I'll walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to simulationkart.com. You will land on the home page, marketplace style with a clean layout, showcasing various simulation projects grouped by software. It's called your one-stop shop to buy or sell simulation files. So on the home page, you will find the categories like MATLAB, KiCad and others. You can browse by category or use the search box to find a specific simulation, say BLDC. So here is all the related projects. So you can go through all the displayed products. Once you spot a simulation of your choice, click on it to open the product detail page. Here you will find the product title and the image and complete description about the simulation, which makes easy for you to select your required product. Also, you can see the price details and discount details, and there is an option to select whether you need an explanation session or not. To buy it, click the Add to Cart button. So this pop-up confirms the item is added in your cart. Simple and clear. If you wish to search for other products, you can click on continue shopping or you can proceed to checkout. So at the checkout, you need to enter the email address for communication, billing information, that is your name, address and email. So review your order summary, then click pay now, place order. The site will process your payment. This usually takes just a moment. So we accept the UPI and credit debit cards for customers in India. For international users, payments can be made using credit or debit cards or PayPal. You can easily pay in your local currency as our system supports over 100 currencies, all converted to USD values. So now you can very easily pay. Yes, so once your payment is done, you're done. You will receive an email order confirmation instantly. So in this page, you can download. So here is the download link where you can download it very easily and use it in your MATLAB. You can also check your email for a confirmation. So here you would have received 3 mails. So one is confirmation for your order, so where you get the download link and your receipt. Second is your payment confirmation. Also you will find a mail to set the password for your account. Click on it and you can easily create an account here. So you can log in or create an account if you have not already created one. So this is your account page. So where you have different options like dashboard or order session. So in the order session, you will get all the details of the purchased simulations, and you can find them even in the downloads. So this has no expiry date, so you can download it n number of times even in the future. And here you have the account details, and very safely you can log out and log in. So next time when you visit, you can directly log in and search, and you can very easily purchase the simulation projects just in one click. Hope you find this video useful and enjoy shopping with us, simulationkart.com. All the very best for all your projects. Thank you.